Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0747 indicates an issue with the transmission in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. Specifically, this code stands for AT Clutch Pressure Control Solenoid Valve A stuck on. The transmission system utilizes several solenoid valves to control hydraulic pressure for the gear shifts. And here, the concern is with the solenoid valve designated A. This valve is located directly on the transmission housing and is crucial for regulating the pressure that engages the automatic transmission clutches. The solenoid valve operates under the direction of the powertrain control module, PCM, which sends signals based on the vehicle's speed and the specific gear needed for optimal performance. If this solenoid is stuck in the open position, it can lead to improper gear shifting and even potential damage to the transmission if not addressed promptly. Monitoring this DTC is essential for ensuring the vehicle's smooth operation. The AT Clutch Pressure Control Solenoid Valve A plays a pivotal role in managing the hydraulic pressure essential for engaging the automatic transmission clutches at the right time. This valve is specifically located on the transmission housing of your Honda Accord, meaning any problems require careful attention, since improper functioning can impact overall driving dynamics. The PCM sends electrical signals to control this solenoid's operation, converting line pressure into the necessary clutch's pressure for various gears. When DTC P0747 triggers, it typically indicates that the solenoid valve is stuck in the on position, which may result in the transmission being unable to shift correctly. This malfunction can sometimes be caused by wear and tear within the solenoid or surrounding components, meaning that timely diagnosis and repair are crucial for maintaining vehicle performance. When diagnosing DTC P0747, one main possible cause is the AT Clutch Pressure Control Solenoid Valve A being stuck in the on position due to internal failure. This can happen over time due to the natural wear and tear associated with vehicle operations. Another potential cause is an electrical issue where the signal from the PCM may not be properly controlling the solenoid. Poor connections or damaged wiring could prevent the solenoid from responding correctly to the PCM commands. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM itself may send incorrect signals, misguiding the operation of the solenoid valve. Each of these causes should be carefully evaluated to determine the root of the problem, ensuring the necessary repairs are made to restore optimal function to the transmission. Vehicles experiencing DTC P0747 often display a range of symptoms that indicate a transmission issue. One prominent symptom is abnormal gear shifting, where the transmission may hesitate or fail to shift into the proper gears during driving. You might also notice the transmission fluid pressure light illuminating on the dashboard, alerting you to a potential problem with the transmission system. Additionally, there may be an error in the gear position indication, as the actual gear may not match the gear commanded by the PCM, further complicating driving conditions. Any of these symptoms should warrant immediate attention, as driving under these conditions can exacerbate the existing problem and lead to more severe damage to the vehicle's transmission system. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0747 involves starting the engine and allowing it to reach normal operating conditions. Once the engine is running, you should drive the vehicle in D or drive mode. During this step, it is essential to monitor the transmission's performance as you drive, specifically to observe if the transmission is capable of shifting into sixth gear. This step also serves as a preliminary check to understand if the DTC persists during normal operation. It is important to conduct this test only under safe traffic conditions, ensuring that you do not put yourself or others at risk while confirming the gear shift capabilities. In the second step, it is crucial to utilize the Honda Diagnostic System (HDS) tool to retrieve any stored error codes linked to the vehicle's transmission. This diagnostic tool allows for a more detailed analysis of the vehicle's systems and can confirm the presence of DTC P0747. When connected properly, the HDS tool will provide a comprehensive overview of any faults or anomalies related to the clutch pressure control solenoid A. It's imperative to examine all related DTCs, as additional error codes could point toward underlying issues affecting the transmission performance. This step can greatly assist in tailoring your subsequent troubleshooting steps and ensuring that you address the most pressing issues identified by the HDS tool. After completing repairs for DTC P0747, it's essential to conduct final verification to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. This begins with confirming that the gear shifting performance of the vehicle has returned to normal. Once you ascertain this, you should clear the DTC from the PCM with the HDS tool and monitor the vehicle for any reoccurrence of the code. Finally, a thorough test drive should be performed to confirm that the transmission operates smoothly across all gears without exhibiting any previous symptoms. This step ensures that the repairs have been effective, and it validates that the concerns related to the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A have been resolved appropriately. Preventative maintenance is key to avoiding issues reminiscent of DTC P0747. Regular checks and changes of the transmission fluid can contribute significantly to the lifespan of your transmission components, including solenoid valves. Additionally, performing periodic testing of the solenoids using a suitable diagnostic tool can catch potential failures before they escalate. Keeping the vehicle's weight within recommended limits helps to reduce strain on the transmission system, preventing premature wear. By adhering to these maintenance guidelines, vehicle owners can maintain smooth operation of their Honda Accord's transmission and minimize the risk of future DTCs or related malfunctions. In summary, understanding and addressing DTC P0747 in a Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017 is paramount for ensuring reliable transmission performance. It is essential to consistently monitor for any symptoms indicating issues with the AT clutch pressure control solenoid valve A, and to follow defined diagnostic procedures properly. Identifying the root causes promptly and executing the necessary repairs will ensure a smooth driving experience while minimizing chances of further complications. Moreover, establishing a regular maintenance routine and emphasizing preventive measures can significantly reduce the frequency of such DTCs in the future. Ultimately, proactive vehicle care not only enhances performance, but also extends the overall lifespan of your Honda Accord. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.